Don't blink. Let me show you the power of science. An egg sinks in fresh water. Pour in salt and stir to make saturated salt water. Now the egg floats on the surface. That's the secret of the Dead Sea. Take a plastic tube, blow into one end with a hairdryer. A ping pong ball flies out the other end. That's air current. How to make a hole in a ceramic cup without breaking it? Just put it in water. Using water as a buffer, you can make a perfect hole. Don't throw away uneaten gum. Shape it into a cone. When the coconut's not looking, strike hard. The coconut splits open. That's the power of non-Newtonian fluids. A straw can't normally pierce an apple, but cover one end with your thumb and push hard, it goes right through. Secretly sprinkle some salt on the table. You can stand a slippery rooster egg upright. Wet your finger and rub the rim of a glass. Watch closely. The toothpick next to it falls. That's the phenomenon of sound resonance. Light the strike point of a match. After it burns out, brown oil stains remain. Rub it on your fingertips. Gently rub and white smoke rises. That's how magicians create smoke from their hands. Wrap a match head and bamboo skewer in tin foil, flatten the top, then place it on a launch pad and light it. That's the principle of rocket launches. Let us know what city, state, or country you are watching from.